How to use Panera Bread promo codes online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Panera Bread promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Panera Bread. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Panera Bread working promo code. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Panera Bread. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, $15 off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Panera Bread. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in the copied code and then confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed and you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Panera Bread. To grab and use any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily redeem Panera Bread working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.